things go the way they are, you're talking of 10 days, less than 10 days, could double. If the trend, if the number of continues. So therefore, I won't have the exact numbers with me. They have the exact numbers here. But what would be a safe number? Yeah. So if the trend continues, the way it is, we could be hitting 5,000 cases by mid of May. We're at 1,400 today. So that this number we came to know in the meeting 10 days back we had. So therefore we decided all those measures, and that's the reason we keep stressing that we need to not look at this 1,400 and say it's only 1,400. No, we know the trend that's happening, and this is not trend just for us, it's a trend in the rest of the country also. So we're learning from those trends also, and that's the reason why before we even reach that point, we need to take the decision and make restrictions, and that's why we did that, and that's why we also went for this aggressive campaign for vaccination also. So yes, you're right, it's based on all these facts, projections that we had, that we are going for such measures. A lot of people may feel that numbers are so low, why we're going for it. It's not correct. You have to see the trend and the growth rate, which is really what is the worrying aspect. So please take care, as I said again, and please follow the restrictions that we're giving you all.